To register for Quad Pro, first click the register link in the top left of the screen. This will take you to the page where you can fill in all of your details. So input your name, your email address, the department you work in, your position in that department, and your password. Then click Register. This will then generate an email sent to the email address you have put in. Clicking the link in the email will bring you to the login page. You can then log in using your name as the username and the password you just provided. If you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset it from the main login page. Select the Forgot Your Password link at the bottom of the page, and then enter the email address you used to register. Click Submit, and then check your emails. There should be an email there with a link in it which you can use to reset your password. Once you have logged in, you will be brought to a page which allows you to create a new job request, so we'll do that now. Select the site, and then you can choose the building. So I'm going to choose the drama building, and then you can choose where the problem is. If you don't know where it is, you can click on this button to view the plans. So we can see that in this case the problem is in DR101. So we'll select DR101 and then click Next. Now we can select the job type. This is an electrical issue with the internal lighting. The problem is that it's not working properly. Here you can enter specifically where the location of the problem is, or you can leave that blank and just say what needs doing. So I'm going to put in here, the main light is constantly flickering. Here you can select whether or not the job is urgent, or whether it can be done at a slightly slower pace. So I'm going to say this is urgent because it's disrupting the teaching. This box specifies whether the operative is allowed to enter the space unaccompanied. So if they are, you tick the box and then they can go in there by themselves. And finally, if you would like to receive email updates of the job, ensure that this box is ticked. Click Submit to finalize the job request. It will show you a summary of all the details you've entered, so click Confirm if they're all correct. And that's it, the job request has now been saved. You can click here to log out. You can select this option if you need to make another job request, or if you'd like to add images to the job request on the desktop, you can click this. Select Choose File, and this will allow you to upload a picture of the issue. So there it is. The operative will then be able to open this picture and have a look and see what the problem is. Once you've done this, click Update to save the image. Now that this job request has been created, I can click on the Requests button in the top left to display all of the job requests, including the one that I just made, so you can see them here. You can click on the job request reference on the left here if you would like to see the details of the job request again. Once the job request has been assigned to an operative and work has begun, further down the page you will be able to see details such as which operative the job has been assigned to, and then any images that the operative has uploaded of the problem, as well as any notes they submitted telling you what's going on. When the job is complete, you will be able to see that down here. Also, if you opted to receive emails about the job, you will have received an email telling you how the job is progressing. So now, if I click back to requests, and then click on the default building here on the right, you can see that I haven't yet got a default building assigned to me. Your estates manager can assign you a default building. So for example, as I am the head of English, they would perhaps assign my default building to be the English block. You can still raise job requests in other buildings, or see ones that have been raised in other places, by selecting the site over here, such as the Upper Junior School, and then selecting an area in the Junior School, and then you can see all the job requests that are linked to that area.